Hey everyone, and welcome to Fact Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of South America, the emerald jewel of our planet, the Amazon rainforest. Join me as we explore 20 incredible facts about this awe-inspiring biome, the Amazon's grandeur. Fact number 1, size matters. The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest on Earth, sprawling over 5.5 million square kilometers. That's bigger than most countries. Fact number 2, green lungs. The Amazon produces over 20% of the world's oxygen, rightfully earning the nickname, the lungs of the planet. Fact number 3, species superstore. Get ready for biodiversity overload. The Amazon is home to 10% of the world's known species, making it the most biodiverse place on Earth. Fact number 4, hidden creatures. Speaking of species, scientists estimate millions more remain undiscovered in the rainforest's hidden depths. Life in the layers. Fact number 5, high-rise habitat. The rainforest has distinct layers, each teeming with life. The canopy, the highest layer, receives the most sunlight and is home to 90% of rainforest animals. Fact number 6, sunlight struggle. The understory, below the canopy, receives only a fraction of the light. Here, plants fight for survival and animals rely on camouflage. Fact number 7, forest floor frenzy. The forest floor is dark and damp, but decomposition is rapid, providing nutrients for the rainforest ecosystem. If you like the video, then give a like and subscribe to our channel, and keep the bell button on for latest energetic videos. Amazing adaptations. Fact number 8, rainforest royalty. The elusive jaguar is the apex predator of the rainforest, ruling the dense foliage with its powerful build and spotted coat. Fact number 9, swinging stars. Monkeys like spider monkeys use their prehensile tails to navigate the canopy's branches with incredible agility. Fact number 10, camouflage kings. From leaf insects that blend seamlessly with foliage to colorful poison dart frogs, the rainforest is a masterclass in camouflage. Watery wonders. Fact number 11, mighty Amazon. The Amazon River, the world's second longest, snakes its way through the rainforest, carrying 1/5 of the world's freshwater. Fact number 12, flooded forests. Seasonal flooding creates flooded forests called varzias, providing vital breeding grounds for fish and other aquatic life. Fact number 13, pink power. The Amazon is home to the iconic pink river dolphin, a truly unique and endangered species. The threats we face. Fact number 14, deforestation woes. Sadly, the Amazon faces a major threat, deforestation. Large areas are being cleared for agriculture and cattle ranching. Fact number 15, habitat loss. Deforestation destroys animal habitats and disrupts the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem. Fact number 16, climate change concerns. The loss of the rainforest can worsen climate change, as trees absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide. Reasons for hope. Fact number 17, indigenous guardians. Indigenous communities have lived in the Amazon for millennia and play a crucial role in its conservation. Fact number 18, Sustainable solutions. Efforts are underway to promote sustainable practices and protect the rainforest for future generations. Fact number 19. The power of you. Spreading awareness and supporting conservation efforts can make a real difference for the Amazon. Fact number 20. The Amazon's future. The fate of the Amazon lies in our hands. By appreciating its wonders and taking action, we can ensure this irreplaceable rainforest continues to thrive. Let us know in the comments below which fact surprised you the most. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fascinating explorations, and join us in protecting the Amazon.